welcome to my bathroom. I just showered, and since I am not the kind of vlogger to take discreet naked shots, I just put my swimsuit on and some clothes. And the reason I'm in the shower is because Chelsea's routine is done in the shower. I have been following her instructions that she posted onto her Insta stories a couple weeks ago, and this is what they are. Wash your hair, shampoo and conditioner, which that's quite a step for me. I only wash my hair once every 2 weeks, and I brush it maybe once or twice a month. Just kind of when my husband says, Hannah, you have like a lot of knots in the back of your head, and I go, oh. And she said she stays in the shower, so her hair is super wet still. I have not wrung out my hair at all. I'm just gonna kind of make my rough part where it normally lays. My normal hair care routine is pretty much none, and the reason when I saw Chelsea's stories and I thought, that looks interesting, she's given me the secrets to her va-va-voomness, I was thinking that now is the time to up my hair game, this time in my life where I'm seeing no one but my husband. Yeah, it actually doesn't make a lot of sense now that I think about it. I bought 4 of the products that she mentioned. I kept my own shampoo and conditioner. I really like what I have. It's called Plain Products, and I like it because it's zero waste, and I just have to send in my aluminum bottles to be refilled, so no plastic is wasted. It's pretty awesome, and it's a great shampoo and conditioner regardless. The first step, while my hair is very wet, what Chelsea does is she puts in this hair oil. This hair care routine is for people with curly hair. I do not have curly hair, but my hair is wavy, especially if I do things to it to keep it wavy. This is a bonding oil that Chelsea puts in first. I bought this online. It was kind of expensive, not gonna lie, and it hurts my heart a little bit to spend that much money. What am I doing with this again? Shoot, Eric, I think I need my phone to look at her stories again. Okay, hold on. My hands are, thank you. Let's look at what she does. I forget what we do with the oil.
Where I put any towel or anything, but I'll use I wrap it up in my microfiber towel.
Okay, got it. I have a lot of hair, guys, so I need to use kind of a lot of product. And she goes upside down. Oh, it smells really good. I don't know if I can do this every day. That stuff's expensive. All right, product number 2 is Kinky Curly Curling Custard. This much in my hair. Go upside down, rub it around, and put it in. Clearly, I know a lot about hair. Haha. Okay, product number 3 that Chelsea suggested is a microfiber hair towel, and I think this is to reduce frizz and stuff, which is common with curly hair. Now, I'm gonna do this, which reminds me of being very adult. You know when you're a kid and moms wore their hair in a towel like this, and it just looked so mature? And I will come to you when I'm done. Okay, I'll be honest with you guys. I did the whole routine. I dried my hair and, you know, let it air dry and with the product in there from Chelsea's suggestions, but my hair didn't look that different from normal. I think that stuff, her routine is mostly for people with actually curly hair. Mine's like wavy curly hair, but because this video will not be a total loss, I actually have a solution. And I just think this is a better, this is going to achieve what I want. This is going to get the effect. Achieve the effect. But it is gonna require us to travel somewhere. maybe an hour and a half, and I have just let my hair dry, and we're just gonna see what happens when I take it out. Oh, it smells like salt water. I hope it's obvious that I am showing you this new hair care routine to get beachy waves with my tongue firmly planted in my cheek, because obviously it's not feasible to go to the beach every day to make your hair look this magnificent. But I thought it would be interesting to sort of, I don't know, examine what it might look like if I had one of those hair care routines with products. Chelsea has a very simple routine, arguably the most simple routine. And going to the beach and dipping in the water and then driving home and paying for parking and all that is definitely more complicated. But here's the thing, I go through these phases, and I've had experiences like this ever since I can remember being a young girl. I'm just like this kind of natural girl. I'm not into doing my nails ever. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I don't get things done. I don't do grooming things. I don't have like this long routine in the morning to get ready. Most of my routine revolves around just like making sure I'm well fed and hydrated. And then every once in a while, throughout my years of being a woman, I get it in my head that, oh man, I'm not doing enough. Like, I'm not grooming enough. I should look at what these other girls are doing. They're so much prettier, sexier than I am. I should get a haircut. I should buy new makeup. I should buy a curling iron, or I should buy these new hair products, or I should, you know, get a lash lift, which I've never done, but that sounds appealing to me, to be honest. Like, I started tweezing my eyebrows in high school because I thought I was supposed to, when as you can see, I don't have a lot to tweeze anyway, so that was just a waste. And I don't think there's anything wrong with grooming or makeup or hair care routines, or if you take 2 hours in the morning to get ready, that's great. That's you. It's just not me. But why do I keep going through these things where I feel like I need to do more? Like I need to up my hair game? Why? I don't think there's anything wrong with taking great care with the way you look, but how you approach that can be all your own. I guess that's my message here. Because I just feel so much more beautiful when I am au naturel, if I have a very light layer of makeup or none at all, if I'm just eating very well and drinking lots of water and getting lots and lots of sleep and exercising to my heart's content. That's when I feel beautiful. I feel beautiful when my relationships are aligned, when my stress levels are low, when I don't have big financial worries, when I'm spending tons of time outside getting fresh air and inhaling Mother Nature. That's when I feel my sexiest and my most beautiful. And I really don't need products to feel like myself or to feel confident. And I definitely don't need face filters, you guys. Video coming soon about why I'm very anti-face filter and face tuning, oh my gosh. And I think especially as I age, which is a normal, natural process, that I'm not going to try to avoid through invasive measures. It can be tempting to sometimes look and compare myself to someone, a friend or someone online, and think that like I am just letting myself go. I really need to do more. And yes, let's take care of ourselves. Like let's make sure we like the way we look and we're feeling confident about our appearance and feeling healthy. But that doesn't mean you have to like mimic someone else's routine, especially if it doesn't work for you. Chelsea's routine is like so minimal and so easy, and I really like a couple aspects of it. I like the microfiber towel, and I have the fourth product I bought was a satin pillowcase, which is something I've been wanting to buy for a while. It's just like better for your skin and hair. That's easy. And you know, maybe I will use the hair oil and the curling custard sometimes. I think I probably should use the hair oil because I have dry hair and it does get kind of fly away, but whatever. But I guess this is just a reminder to myself to not feel like I have to do more with my hair routine. And my value doesn't change one iota if I take 20 minutes to do my hair, an hour to do my hair, or none. Because I'll be really honest with you, I didn't purchase those few products and take Chelsea's advice and watch her Insta stories just to make a video. I actually looked at that and I was like, I genuinely thought, I had one of those moments that I've had throughout my whole life. Yeah, her hair looks amazing. I should probably work on my hair. So silly. So in true Hannah fashion, I've taken a very, you know, somewhat shallow concept and made it apply personally to my life and possibly to future therapy sessions. Now just a quick word about the sponsor of this video.